Amesim has default submodels, which is very easy for an engineer to model rather than modeling the equations by themselves.
The selection of LMS Amesim was driven by the fact that it's a well-established, well-recognized tool for 1D development. In the area of mechatronic system, it also fulfills the requirements in terms of communication with different type of simulation environments.
We chose Amesim because it has a very extensive hydraulic and mechanical library that allows us to model very quickly complex designs and to capture with a good level of accuracy the dynamics of our, again, hydraulic systems and components.
Amesim helps us to have a very fine modelization of every behavior. It does thermic, it does mechanic, it does hydraulic, and it does fuel equipments too. And we can mix these together to get something that matches very closely the real behavior of the equipment in real life.
The Amesim software enabled us to provide a system which can simulate the real world in a perfect way, and that we wouldn't have been able to do it with other softwares which are known on the market so far.
The way we integrated Amesim into our process pretty much covered everything from controls, solutions, system level controls, subsystem level controls, drive tuning, hydraulic system performance assessment, vehicle level performance assessment. Pretty much everything that we did in the last 4 years on this machine had Amesim at the heart of it.
So one of the best feature of Amesim, which is user interface, and along with the user interface comes rich libraries with a very rich components and a lot of physics, and it comes with very handy set of help which will explain what are the input and what are the output, and in some libraries you can see the physics with the references.
So our analysis techniques with CCM Plus on 3D and with Amesim on the 1D side, we use a combination of techniques there, the tools together, so that we can solve lubrication flows, we can solve thermal problems, we can solve heat transfer in the engine. We understand where the energy is coming from, where the energy is going, but the combination of 3D tools and 1D tools, we're able to do that in the time needed to drive the engine design within the build phase.
Amesim is very intuitive to use and very easy to get started with. It contains a number of libraries and models that we find very useful, and it gives us the results that we want.